Hey, what's up, guys? So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up or slow down your clips, like time stretch. So first of all, I'm using, as you've seen maybe in the other video, I'm using Vegas Pro 17, as you can see up there. I don't think the version matters. I've used like version 15, even 13, 12, and it was all the same. So it should be the same on all of those. What you're going to want to do is obviously open up a clip. I have one open up here, just some Call of Duty crap, because I'm making a little compilation video. So if I play it, it might be a little choppy because my laptop's getting slow and crap, but I'm going to show you.
To the safe zone.
That's the clip we got. Now, in order to do time stretch, you can do it from the front or the back. Like if you split the clip, for example, you know what I mean? You want like one part. But let's not get too technical. Anyways, what we're going to want to do is if you go here, you're going to see that image, right? I mean that symbol at the top here. This is for the fade in, fade out, if you saw in the other video. If I go here and drag, that's to shorten the clip, you know what I mean? But doesn't affect the time stretch. So in order to slow it down or speed it up, what you're going to want to do is go over here and click Control, and then hold Control, and then drag like this way. So what this is going to do, it's going to speed up the clip. And you can speed it up, I think, like 4 times. So like a 10-second clip, you could turn into like 2.5 seconds. Or if you slow it down, a 10-second clip will turn into 40 seconds. So here, we sped it up. So if I play it now... like that's fully sped up. I don't want that at all. You know what I mean? But let me go to Edit, Undo Stretch Event. So it's going to take us back where we were before we did that. Now, if I want to slow it down, we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to hold Control, and instead of dragging like this way, making it smaller, because that would speed it up, obviously, we're going to hold Control and go like this and drag it out. Now, this is going to slow it down. So now, if I click here and play it,
To the safe zone.
as you can see, it slows it down completely, including the sound. So when you're doing this with the videos, keep in mind that once you speed it up or slow it down, if there's sound in it, it's going to do the same thing to the sound. I don't know a way around that. I don't think there is a way around that, but if there is, let me know. So that's basically it. That's how you speed them up, slow them down. Just one last time, if you want to see, hold Control, come here. You're going to get that little symbol. So this going like that would obviously speed it up. And holding this and dragging to the left is going to slow it down. That's pretty much it, man. I hope it helps you guys out. If you have any further questions, let me know. Make sure to sub. Check out some of the other videos on the channel. I also have a couple of other videos related to Sony Vegas as well. How to like fade in the clips and stuff like that. How to move multiple clips at once. So you can check those out as well. And like I said, yeah, hope it helps you guys out. And thanks for watching. Peace.